To solve this, I'm going to start with a very simple math that says if we have a equals b, we can raise both sides to the power of 2 and write a to the power of 2 equals b to the power of 2. Now, how can we use this simple rule to start the solution? So, raise both sides to the power of 2. Let's see what happens. Left side to the power of 2, right side to the power of 2. Step 1. These two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off. So I write here this x times this second root of x times this second root of x times this second root of x equals 5 raised to the power of 2. Now, one more time, both sides to the power of 2. Right side to the power of 2. X to the power of 2, let me write it, times this expression, which means x times second root of x times second root of x to the power of 2 equals 5 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2. Now we need an exponential rule that says a to the power of m raised to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m times n. So 5 to the power of 2 whole of it raised to the power of 2 can be written as 5 to the power of 2 times 2 or 4. Next, these two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off, so it is going to be x to the power of 2 times this x times this second root of x times this second root of x equals 5 to the power of 4. Next, what is x to the power of 2 times x to the power of, this is 1. So this 2 plus 1 is 3. It is going to be x to the power of 2 plus 1 over 3 times second root of x times second root of x equals 5 to the power of 4. One more time, both sides to the power of 2. Let's see what happens. How many times we need to continue this strategy? So x to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2 times this part, which means x times second root of x to the power of 2 equals 5 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 2, which means 5 to the power of 4 times 2, 8. Do not forget. Now, what do we have? X to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2 is going to be x to the power of 3 times 2 or x to the power of 6 times. These two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off, so we have x times second root of x is 5 to the power of 8. What is this? X to the power of 6 times x to the power of 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So let me write here x to the power of 7 times second root of x equals 5 to the power of 8. And one more time, raise both sides to the power of 2. So x to the power of 7 to the power of 2 times second root of x to the power of 2 equals 5 to the power of x times 8 times 2, which means 5 to the power of 16. Until here, alright. Now, let's see what do we have. X to the power of 7 raised to the power of 2 is 7 times 2, 14 times these two as exponent. These two as root can be cancelled off equals 5 to the power of 16. What is this? X to the power of 1. 14 plus 1, it is going to be x to the power of 15 equals 5 to the power of 16. until here. Well done. But still we need to continue the solution because we are going to find the value of x, and this is x to the power of 15. Let me write it here. We have x to the power of 15 equals 5 to the power of 16. What is your solution to find out the value of x? Right, I am going to raise both sides to the power of which number? 15, 16, 1 over 16, 1 over 15, right, 1 over 15. Left side, x to the power of 15 times 1 over 15 is going to be 5 to the power of 16 times 1 over 15. So what is our left side? X to the power of 15 times 1 over 15, which means 15 over 15 equals 5 to the power of 16 over 15. What is this? 15 over 15? 1. X to the power of 1, x. So finally, we have got the value of our x, which means 5 to the power of 16 over 15. And this is our final answer. Do not forget, if you have a different way to solve this question, please let me know. It makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Have fun.